This is the spindle spinning at top RPM, 6,000, and it's been going for 35-40 minutes, no alarm. I should say the spindle's been on for 35-40 minutes, and it's been up at 6,000 for 10 minutes. Rather boring.
What?
Rather boring.
No, I did not know that. Now I need to know that.
You know, that's the extent of it for me. I just fixed it. Do you run this machine?
I used to, but now I'm running it around out. We had another guy running that one. He retired about 2 weeks ago.
Oh, so it's a new change. So why? What do you cut on that one as opposed to this one?
Well, this one we're selling.
Oh.
So that's why I said, okay, we're going to move you off of this one so nothing happens. If something happens to that one, we fix it. This one, then, yeah.
That's nice and quiet, huh?
Once you get to that.
Well, that's just a weight cover noise. Nice weight covers. Yeah, the same thing for Y and Z, please. Looking good. Now, the through spindle coolant is disconnected?
Yeah, it's not connected.
It always busts the unions or something?
I only got on this machine back in March, so from what I'm told, they disconnected it a long
time ago.